Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. September 8, 11:45 America New York. European indices end the session with declines across the board. German DAX, minus 1.4%. The provisional closes are showing.
Daily FX Market News. September 8, 11:30 America New York. USD, JPY trades back above 50-day SMA to clear monthly opening range. USD, JPY may hold above the 50-day SMA, 110.02, ahead of the next Federal Reserve meeting as it clears the opening range for September.
Forex Live. September 8, 11:23 America New York. BOE's Bailey. We're seeing some short-term leveling off in the recovery. Comments from BOE officials Bailey, Ramsden, Tenreiro.
New York Times Business. September 8, 11:11 America New York. Coinbase says the S.E.C. has threatened to sue it over a plan to pay interest. Coinbase's Lend offering, an interest-generating service that somewhat resembles accounts traditionally offered by banks, could violate securities laws, the Securities and Exchange Commission said.
Forex Live. September 8, 10:57 America New York. GBPUSD tests the swing lows from last week. Price below the 50% of the move up from the August 20 low. The USD is moving higher, and that is true versus the GBP as well. The GBPUSD is traded to a new session low and in the process is testing the swing lows from last week's trading between 1.3730 and 1.3733. Forex Live. September 8, 10:44 America New York. U.S. stocks getting hit with the NASDAQ leading the way. NASDAQ down minus 0.84%. The U.S. stocks are moving lower with the NASDAQ leading the way. The tech-heavy index is down minus 131 points or minus 0.86% at 15,242. The S&P is down minus 0.5% and the Dow Industrial Average is also down minus 0.5%. Forex Live. September 8, 10:39 America New York. U.S. dollar jumps again. Canadian dollar hit hardest. The bid in the dollar is relentless. Yesterday we could point to rising treasury yields as a catalyst for dollar strength, but today yields are down and the dollar is jumping anyway.
BBC News Business. September 8, 10:38 America New York. Why tax pay packets more and not property? The pandemic response has spurred a greater willingness to tax wages rather than property.
Forex Live. September 8, 10:31 America New York. Natural gas continues to sizzle. Breaks $5 for the first time since 2014. Henry Hub gas futures up 8%. Natural gas has broken above the 2019 spike high of $4.92 and climbed through $5 to the highest since 2014. Given that natural gas is a very seasonally traded commodity, perhaps it's even more important that it's trading at 13-year high for this time of year.
Daily FX Market News. September 8, 10:30 America New York. Canadian dollar latest. USD, CAD dips briefly on BOC, USD dictating play. USD, CAD pays little attention to BOC. USD driving price action.
Forex Live. September 8, 10:28 America New York. USD CAD stays within the trading parameters. The pair is looking to test the high we are currently trading to a new session high as I type, and in doing so has moved above the ceiling at 1.2708. The 50% retracement of the move down from the August 20 high is the next target at 1.27204. Get above that level and the door opens up.
BBC News Business. September 8, 10:27 America New York. Green and amber lists could go in travel rules shake up. The BBC has been told that the green and amber categories could be removed and replaced with a new system. Wall Street Journal Markets. September 8, 10:26 America New York. Salvatore Ferragamo's profits will line ad men's pockets. The Italian shoemaker's better-than-expected profits will soon need to be invested into marketing campaigns. BBC News Business. September 8, 10:20 America New York. Rihanna drops legal case against her father. The singer had accused her father of misusing her name to further his entertainment business. Wall Street Journal Markets. September 8, 10:14 America New York. Coinbase says S.E.C. plans enforcement action over crypto lending program. Coinbase co-founder and chief executive Brian Armstrong accused the SEC of using intimidation tactics behind closed doors to stop his company from launching a lending program.
New York Times Business. September 8. 10:08 America New York. Top 1% evade $163 billion a year in taxes, Treasury fines. A new report makes the case that narrowing the tax gap is part of the Biden administration's ambition to create a more equitable economy. A new tax analysis comes as the Biden administration is pushing lawmakers to embrace its ambitious proposal to invest in beefing up the Internal Revenue Service to narrow the tax gap.
Forex Live. September 8. 10 o'clock America New York. Bank of Canada. Rates unchanged, QE pace unchanged. Highlights of the Bank of Canada statement. Here's the final paragraph, which includes the BOC's guidance. It's exactly the same as in July. The Canadian dollar initially rose on the headlines but is back to unchanged.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 8. 10 o'clock America New York. Global economic warfare intensifies as military conflict recedes. Biden is embracing sanctions, though they may be losing effectiveness and increasing the risk of conflict. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. September 8. 10 o'clock America New York. Yellen says Treasury could exhaust cash conservation measures in October. The Treasury Secretary urged lawmakers to suspend or raise the federal borrowing limit again before the Treasury exhausts emergency measures.
Forex Live. September 8. 10 o'clock America New York. U.S. July JOLTS job openings 10.934 M versus 10.03 M estimate. JOLTS job openings 7 straight months of gains. Record level of job openings. Prior was 10.073 M revised to 10.185 M. Hires were little change at 6.7 million. Hires decreased in retail trade minus 277 kelvins and durable goods manufacturing minus 41 kelvins. State and local government education increased by 33K and in federal government plus 21 kelvins. Forex Live. September 8. 10 o'clock America New York. Full text of the Bank of Canada September 8, 2021 statement. Bank of Canada statement. Full text. Bank of Canada maintains policy rate, continues forward guidance and current pace of quantitative easing. The Bank of Canada today held its target. Forex Live. September 8. 9:56 America New York. Technical levels in play through the BOC decision. No change expected. The Bank of Canada rate decision will be at the top of the hour. No changes as expected. What technical levels are in play? Looking at the hourly chart above, the pair today moved up to test the swing highs from August 27 at 1.2708 and found sellers.